This isn't too much either anymore.
But it at least has a point.
I can fix that.
Not if you can't see. And I'm not going to use that for this. I'm going to use a spoon. It's an eyeball scoop.
An eyeball scoop.
Or a testicle holder. Except for me, I like one that's undescended. Well, it's down there, it just doesn't hang as low as the other one.
I got that too.
Oh, you. They both hang about equal. You can record him too. He's saying stupid shit.
Chocolate milk and sure.